Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to share Zoho Calendar. So first, you want to access your Zoho Calendar through Zoho Mail. So once you are here in Zoho Mail, we'll be able to see the calendar icon over here at the right side bar. So if you click on it, you can click on this arrow at the top that says open a new tab. So you want to go ahead and open your calendar in a new tab so that you'll be able to access your Zoho Calendar. And once you are here, you want to navigate over here at the left side bar where you'll be able to see your calendars. Then you're going to select the calendar that you want to share. Then you're going to hover over your calendar where you'll be able to see a 3-dot option. Then by clicking this 3-dot option, you'll be able to access various of tools. Then you're going to click on share. Then over here at this tab, you want to input the email of an individual or a group which you want to share your calendar with, and after that, you're going to select how they can view your calendar. So you can allow them whether to view your calendar or edit or manage your calendar. Just go ahead and choose the option that works best for you, and after that, just click on share, and that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.